Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox white screen problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type after that type here graphics settings. uh, you will find it like that. All you have to do just turn it on, and as you see after that you will need to restart your PC. Now click here and type control panel and click view by, make it small icons, then network and sharing center, and here the first option, access type, you will find here internet connections, internet or Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter, just click on it, and then properties, internet protocol, internet version 4 properties, and here you will find like that. Just select the second one and copy those numbers here and then click OK, close it. That's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.